Hey y'all, it's Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Goldmine CoCo's Q3 Peyton subscription box. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into this. Yeah. So the first thing is what looks like a bookmark. Okay. No, it doesn't show what it is back here, but this looks like a bookmark. It's pretty heavy duty. So there you go, Miss Peyton, Miss Peyton. So that is the first item here in the box. Next we have some journaling cards. We've got Put Your Positive Pants On, and we have Cry, Forgive, Learn, Move On, Let Your Tears Water the Seeds of Your Future Happiness. Cute little journaling cards. Next up we have this notepad that says, Sis, you deserve rest. You guys know how Goldmine CoCo's paper quality is. I'm not even going to open this because it'll be a while before I can get around to using it, and I want to keep the moisture out. So this is the notepad. And last but not least, we have our stickers. So we have sheet 1, got our functional stuff. When things change inside you, things change around you. I like that. And then we've got some more functional stuff. Wait, I only see August through December. Okay. And then we've got our checklist, some dots, get it done, bill due stickers. Third sheet, we have some date dots, weekly trackers. It says, what you focus on expands. My soul is calm. My mind is focused. My body is healthy. Payday banners. Take a break. The body achieves what the mind believes. And some more bill due stickers. Next we have, I am so glad that we're getting these functional things because, baby, this is what we need. Okay, here is the first half of the month. And then we have this page here of Pepe face masking it up. Okay, got some boxes. We've got some scripts, meal prep, movie night, self-care, date night, clean house, pay bills, grocery shopping, girls night out, to do, workout, finish reading, weekly cooking, and nap time. This next sheet is some more functional pieces. We've got some boxes here this week, this month, today, budget, important ideas. And then we got Pepe on some lined grid boxes. We've got some water trackers, some washi strips down here. We've got some more scripts, deep clean, phones off, have a spa day, take a solo trip, make lists, movie night, self-care, plan well, eat well, drink up, and retail therapy, because everybody needs retail therapy. It says choose your happiness and well-being. Y'all, I love this font. Felicia, we need more stickers. Let me say it again. Somebody tell Felicia to come to this video. We need more stickers like this, the functional stuff. We got done, pending, important, love it, priorities. We've got some more checklists here. We've got some smaller lined grid boxes here. We got Pepe over here. It looks like she's getting a plant together. And down here it says take care of your mind, body, and soul. And then this last sheet is all Pepe doing all the self-care things. And so self-care is choosing you without guilt. Okay, she is doing some yoga or meditating, painting, plant care. She's got a pen here, some more meditating, face masking, phones off, and she's reading a book, taking a bubble bath, and doing her hair. So this is the sticker pack. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticker sheets that we normally get. We have the notepad, we have the 2 journaling cards, and we have our bookmark. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, I would appreciate it if you'd like it, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, turn on notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.